Lil Malfunction. This is the sound of a printer. Boom, bing, bing, boom, bing, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing. Yeah, my printer's wild. It's making noise. Sounds like a jet, but it's just my toys. Out of ink, out of time, out of sync. I'm gonna smash this thing into the sink. I hate print, but it just won't stop. Spitting out pages like it's on the top. Ain't got no paper left. What you got? Now it's beeping and I'm straight up losing.
Dude, you gotta get a grade.
I said get okay. This is the sound of printer. Oh my god, do not this guy again. Printer jamming. He's getting hit ctrl+P. What did I do? Now the whole room smells like burnt glue. The printer's heated. Pause, all fried. Like I just said, I'm all done inside. Pause. It's spitting out fonts I never seen. Comic sans, zoom dings. What does that mean? The screen's blinking, flashing red. This printer got a mind out of its own. I'm dead. This is the sound of a printer. People jamming, thinking it's singer. It's printed trash, I got no idea. It's moving fast, Lil Malfunction out of control. Printer up, and made a hole. Pause. This is the sound of a printer. Bonus lyric. Here's the sound of a cucumber. Cucumber.